Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi everyone and welcome to Outer Banks, North Carolina. Hello everyone and welcome to Outer Banks, North Carolina. We just arrived to Outer Banks, North Carolina. This is our first time coming here. As you all know, Outer Banks is hundreds of miles of wide open shorelines and different mix of towns and villages. We drove over possibly 3 bridges that connecting the mainland to the islands. Hi everyone and welcome to Outer Banks, North Carolina. We just arrived to Outer Banks and we're gonna discover this place and look for seafood. There are so many shops, there are so many hotels. Yeah, this place very busy. But look at the color of the sand. Is here like water to clean up your feet from the sand.
It sound right, boy.
The beach is so calm, so quiet. Right, they have lots of access to the beach through these wooden bridges. Hello, how you doing? By water and the sound of oceanside, there are so many restaurants here in the Outer Banks, providing breathtaking dining experience.
Sound right, boy.
A, B, this is the up down. Fish play dead.
A starfish. Smells so fishy. To wash your feet from the sand. Yeah, like that. All right, guys, welcome to Miller's Seafood Restaurant in the Outer Banks. We're gonna go inside and try waterfront restaurant here. Look at the view from the window, very nice. Alright guys, so this is Miller's Seafood Restaurant. Look at this. This is amazing place, very quiet. You can actually walk on this all the way to the end. I don't see any fish, but very nice atmosphere, really. I love it. This is November, not a lot of people possibly visiting the Outer Banks, but it looks so fantastic. Wow, so dramatic, so nice. Here you can walk all the way to the end and enjoy the view. It's kind of deep. I believe they use it for the boats, maybe the fishing boats, maybe, I don't know. That's a good question. Very beautiful sunset. Thank you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Mas se quiser ver,
It sound right, boys.
You don't want it?
Like a 100 standing on, please. Come on. This is one of the cheesiest mac and cheese, one of the best mac and cheese I ever eat in a restaurant. Creamy and very flavorful. Lots of cheese, baked to perfection.
we're not
We're not gonna force one, bro. Mom, can you do this?
Mom.
You can do this, right?
And can you do this?
I decided to order a second mac and cheese because I could not resist. The quality of the cheese and the professional way of baking this mac and cheese just combined together made it the best mac and cheese I ever had. This was very unique experience eating mac and cheese here at Miller's Seafood Waterfront Restaurant in the Outer Banks.
It sound right, boys.